What's going on, you guys? Mr. Allen here. In this video, we're going to bisect line segment AB here using our compass and a straight edge. All right, so first thing here, I'm going to uncap this bad boy. I'm going to loosen this thing up so I can move it around, right? And we need to set this thing to larger or wider than half this segment length. This is a part that you can eyeball. Just make sure that you're a little more than halfway. That looks pretty good there. And I'm going to crank it down, right? We are still a little over halfway. Okay, now the next thing here, you can mark this slightly different ways, so I'll talk about that right now. If I pop my pointy edge here on one of these points, so A, I can go ahead and scribe an arc. Make sure that you keep that pointy edge on point A there. Swing all the way up. Okay. So I could have done what I did here, right? Big old arc. Or I could just do a little bit up here and a little bit down there. Your call, okay? Next one, I'm going to do the same thing here, but just over on point B. So I'll start up top. And I'll swing down, making sure that I stay on point B. It can be a little tricky on my board. It moves around a little bit. Hopefully your compass, your pointy end there, stays on that paper. There we go. Beautiful. Fantastic. I have two intersecting arcs that are parts of, let's see if I can do this, larger circles that we have there, okay? So anytime we scribe an arc, it's a portion of a circle that exists here in space. Next move. I'm going to go with a blue marker here, all right? This point here, it's a new point. I'm going to go ahead and call that, let's say, point C, since I have A and B. And this will be point D right here. And if I connect these 2 points with my handy-dandy straight edge here, set it up on those 2 points, scribe my line, whoop, I have now bisected line segment AB. I'll go ahead and call this point E here. So now I have AE is congruent to BE. How cool is that? Right now, fun fact on the bisecting of a line segment, we're also making a line here that is perpendicular to AB. So this is a perpendicular bisector. So anytime they ask you to, say, bisect a line segment, right, or construct a line that is perpendicular to an existing line, you're really doing like the same process here for a lot of those types of problems. So there we go. We bisected the line segment, or we found the midpoint of that line segment. We made a perpendicular bisector of this line segment, all the same. So whether you do these big old arcs like this, or you do little ones up top and down below, same kind of process, just looks a little bit different. And I know when you're first learning this stuff, you're like, bro, why does that look different than mine? It is the same thing. Just depends on how much you want to draw on there. Either way, you should get full credit, okay? Okay? And if they don't give you full credit, you make these little arcs up here, you tell them to come to me. We'll talk. All right. That's it. Have a great day, guys.